I'm sorry, Josh, but I have to go to the bathroom.
No, don't do it, Sarah. Don't do it, please.
I'm sorry. It won't be too long, Josh.
No, I can't let you go.
I have to.
No.
I have to.
Stay with me.
It won't be long.
Go. Go.
Friendly love.
I'm back. You kind of need to, clean that up.
I got it.
Pa is gonna be so pissed.
I just
Get it, pissed? 1, 2, 3.
So what you writing?
Just a little thing for my work. I gotta pick it up, Sarah.
No.
Don't
pick it up.
It'll just be a minute.
You'll be long.
No, I swear, I won't be gone long, Sarah.
You'll be long. You'll be gone a long time.
No, Sarah.
It's 2 seconds is too long.
Okay.
Just go.
I'm back.